What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So there's something I bought I want to share with you guys. This is to shaping your brows. So I want to try it with you guys to see. It looks like this. There's this cover. Remove it. You have to put a battery inside, then you pull it, and that is it. So I want to use it to shaping my brows to see if it will work. So let's do this. I just want to use it to see. I was thinking it will not work, but definitely it does work. Let me do this one. I remove all the unwanted hair. That's great. All the unwanted hair. Remove them. Once you touch hair, we make cream, cream, cream. That's great. It is fantastic. It works, so I'm happy. I bought this for 20 euros. 20 euros. So it is fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So guys, that is it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. That is done. So let's move to business now. Yes, let's get back to business. So I want to start with I'm starting with my eyes. So like I usually do, I'm using this. I'm just going to apply that on my lid very, very quickly. So I'm going to take this brush. This one is from Juvia's Place 006 blending brush. So I'm going to take it with side as my transitional shade.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low.
This shade, okay. This shade next to that one. I'm just concentrating on the top of my crease, then bringing it to the inner corner. This shade right here, and just blend the upper side of it. Take that brownish shade again, just to deepen it a little.
In me makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes. Feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna.
So I'm just going to cut my crease using this full coverage concealer from Sac Lady.
Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes. Feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember.
I'll just be using this shade here.
Run every endeavor. I wanna remember.
So with that same brush, I'm going to take this creamy eyeshadow.
Step on the lamb, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on, turn. A fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever.
That is just to define my cut crease.
Wanna move, fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes. Feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of.
So that is it. I'm going to draw my wing.
Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the lamb, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the
So I'm using this eyeliner Future Waterproof.
I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay
bought two foundation from my sister when I went to Nigeria, so I want to be using them. This one is a Kiss Beauty, this one is Matte BB, while this one is a Kiss Beauty foundation too. So I don't know, they look like this. Since I bought them, I have not tried them. There's this one. So I'm just going to pump little here. Let's see. I don't know if it is sealed. Let me open it to see if it is sealed. No, it's not. This one is Kiss Beauty Matte Magic BB Foundation Waterproof. So that is it. I'm just going to pump. The shade is 01. Oh, the pump is not working. It's not working. I don't know. And it's not sealed. I don't know why it's not working. So this is it on my skin. The pump did not work, so let me just apply it like that and see first. Let me apply it. It has a smell. It has a smell to it. It's like smelly, like it's not a bad smell, but it smells so nice. I like the smell. Like scent of a perfume. I'm not sure it's going to be full coverage, so since it is a BB cream, you guys know most of BB cream is just a light. They are always light foundation that always look like your skin. That's the purpose of all these BB cream. BB cream foundation. You guys see that it's not full coverage, but it matches my skin. That's one advantage of it. Yeah, it's not bad. Let me add more to see. But it's very, very light coverage. It's a light coverage. It's not bad at all. Yeah, when I add more to it, it covers more than at least. You see. Okay, just look at where I added little on this side. So when you add more to it, it gives you more coverage. It gives more coverage when you apply more. Oh, I like the smell. C'est pas désagréable. So that you don't see those demarcation. It's not bad. I think I like it. So let me apply my. I think it's dry now. My forces. So that is it. I'm going to move back to the eyes, and for that I'll be using a black eye pencil. So I'll be using this waterproof. You guys can see this waterproof smoky eye black pencil. So I'm trying to connect it with my wing. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. This one is very dark. I'm going to take this shade right here, this one, and just smoke that. Wish that we could stay forever. I wanna remember. press it under. I'm just pressing it in, kind of diffuse the black.
Step on the end, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that
I'll put it on my tear dot.
step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your
Sis, oh, feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself. So we are moving on to the lips. I'm going to use, I'm going to line my lips with a lip pencil. You guys know I have a very dark lip. Even when I line my lips, they don't see the difference. They don't see the difference, so I'm going to use this lip gloss. It's not a lip gloss, it's a lipstick. Lip lava, they call it. I'm going to use this. Let's see. It's going to mash my eye.
step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine.
Bye. I will see you in my next one. Ciao.
Ayana comme moi, ok. Hello papi, mais qu'est-ce que ça? J'entends des bails atroces sur moi.